Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner in legal, financial, and compliance services tailored for business transactions and investments. Today we're talking about the Share Purchase Agreement, or SPA, one of the most important documents when transferring ownership in a company. Whether you're buying into a business or selling your shares, an SPA ensures that the transaction is secure, transparent, and legally protected. What is a share purchase agreement? A share purchase agreement is a legally binding contract between a buyer and a seller for the transfer of company shares. It outlines all the key terms, from the purchase price and payment structure to warranties, representations, and obligations after the deal is completed. At Filings Corner, our team of experienced CAs, CSs, MBAs, and lawyers helps you draft and execute SPAs that reduce legal risk and ensure a smooth transfer of ownership. Why you need an SPA, explained simply. So, why is an SPA essential? First, it clearly defines the transaction terms, such as the number of shares being sold, the price, the mode of payment, and the timeline. This eliminates ambiguity right from the start. Second, it offers legal protection by making sure that both parties meet their obligations and avoid unnecessary disputes. An SPA also ensures that proper due diligence is conducted, covering financial, legal, and regulatory checks before the deal is finalized. And finally, it includes indemnity clauses to protect both parties against any unforeseen liabilities or hidden risks after the sale is complete. What's included in a well-drafted SPA? Let's take a look at the key elements we include when drafting your SPA. We start by clearly identifying the parties involved and detailing the type and number of shares being transferred. Next, we define the pricing and payment terms, whether it's a lump sum, an escrow arrangement, or installment-based. We include warranties and representations to confirm that the shares are free from encumbrances and legally transferable. We also outline conditions precedent, such as regulatory approvals, due diligence results, and board consents that must be fulfilled before the deal can go through. And finally, we add post-completion clauses that handle final payments, share transfer confirmations, and any price adjustments based on closing balance sheets or conditions. All of this is backed by solid indemnity and dispute resolution mechanisms, including arbitration or legal remedies should anything go wrong. What we need from you: process simplified. To prepare a legally strong and customized SPA, we'll need a few key documents from your side. These include the company's incorporation documents and shareholder register, which confirm the legal structure and ownership status. We'll also review financial statements and due diligence reports to assess the company's value and any potential risks. In addition, we'll require board resolutions, regulatory approvals, and any existing legal contracts that might impact the share sale. At Filings Corner, we handle this entire process with care and precision, giving you peace of mind throughout the transaction. Why Filings Corner? Trust and expertise. Now, why should you choose Filings Corner for your share purchase agreement? Because we offer customized drafting, designed specifically for your business and deal structure. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your share purchase agreement professionally drafted and executed with complete legal support. Filings Corner, simplifying complex deals, securing your business future.